Okay, I got a question on linear regressions. So let's take a look at one, right? So this is the linear regression activity. Make sure you guys have the help videos that you can also watch. So make sure you're watching those help videos. But this one says the number of newly reported crime cases in a country in New York State is shown in the accompanying table, where X represents the number of years since 1998 and Y represents the number of new cases. Write the linear regression equation that represents this set of data, rounding all coefficients to the nearest tenth. Using this equation, find the projected number of new cases in 2010, rounded to the nearest whole number. Okay, so let's see here. The first thing we need to do is enter this data into either into our graphing calculator, or you could use Desmos.com. So I'm going to try and use Desmos. We'll see if I can copy. It says Open Statistics Calculator. Let's see what that does. Oh, okay. So they're giving us a statistics calculator in DeltaMath to use. So let's see here, paste values. So that's all the values that we just copied. And that list is really long. Okay, and then it looks like up here, calc menu, we want to do linear regression. Let's turn our diagnostic on, click calculate, and there we go. We've got our linear regression values, okay? So our equation for this set of data should have been y equals 32.06x plus 779.85. Let's find out what DeltaMath wants us to round to. Nearest whole number. Rounding to the nearest tenth in the equation. Okay, so rounding to our nearest tenth, we're going to plug in our values. Y equals 32.1. Y equals 32.1. X. Let's see if that's working. There we go. Plus, and I need my B value, 779.9. 779.9. And they want a final answer. So then we have to go back and we have to use that to answer using this equation, find the projected number of new cases in 2010. Let me grab my bamboo pad really quick and see if I can do this just right next to it so you guys can see my work. Right, so if I grab this little pen, hopefully I can just write it out. So 2010, let's see here, years since 1998. So like this would be 1998, this would be 99, this would be 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, okay, and so on. So they want 2010. So let's see here, 2010 is going to be 12, right? I have to go 5 more years, right? 3 plus 5, so 08, 2008. Oh wait, I'm doing that backwards. Hang on. Okay, yeah. So let's see here. 2010 minus 1998, that gives us 12. So we're looking for the 12th term, right? So we're going to take our equation, cases for 2010, round to the nearest whole number. We're going to take our equation, and now we're going to plug in 32.1 times 12 plus 779.9, right? And we're going to follow order of operations, 32.1 times 12 plus 779.9, and that should give us 1165.1.